Now, this candle has closed bullish. Are we 110% convinced the next candle will be bullish?
No.
No,
No.
because the candle hasn't closed convincingly enough for us to take this trade, and the wick to body ratio is completely off. So this is not saying that the market cannot continue up, but this is saying this is the time where I will step back and wait for a better opportunity if I have not already executed on this and or this or out at TP from my first exit entry. Okay. So
Yes.
I still believe the market will go up. There's nothing to tell me otherwise in this scenario. Okay. Now,
Yes.
price completely collapses. Okay. Completely collapses. So the bias that I believe price was going to continue up is completely collapsed. I can now work with new structure here in this scenario. And when this candle closes bearish, am I convinced that the next candle will be bearish?
So I would sell this now. But now I know it makes not really sense.
Okay, tell me why it doesn't make sense. It does make sense. Okay, let's agree on this. If we do, are we all 110% convinced the next candle will be bearish?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Does the market make sense as to why the next candle will be bearish?
Yes.
Yes.
In this
No,
instance,
no, 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 no. For
Yeah.
me,
I
not.
mean, it makes sense.
it does
Yeah,
make
no.
sense. It does make sense in this
It makes
scenario
sense.
because this candle closed bullish, next candle went bullish, so we know the next candle will be bullish. Then we have this wick rejection, so we're not convinced the next candle will be bullish, and then price attempts to go bullish and completely falls off. So clearly, the story that the market is telling us is the bulls just clearly are not controlling this market right now, are they?
Yeah, there's not enough buyers up there.
Correct. Okay, so we still have a congruent understanding of what the market is telling us at this moment in time. So we can sell this because it makes sense. Even though we have this range back down to the low, we're not working with ranges in the fact that, oh, I can't sell this because there's not enough range. The only question I would ask myself if I was to sell this is I'm going to instant execution here. I'm going to place my stop loss above this more than likely wick. And the only thing that I have to ask myself is, can I work with a 26 pip stop loss? If I can, then I'll take the trade. And if I can't, I can't. Right? Because it just goes above my range. So therefore, we can continue selling. We can remove this at this moment in time and we can keep selling. Okay? After this candle closes bearish, are we 110% convinced the next candle will be bearish?
No.
Nah.
Okay, fine. So we're just not doing nothing in this scenario. Oh, I should have waited though. But we are still convinced the market is going down, right?
Yeah, this is not 110.
Yeah. Because at this point, let's just go back a second so we can keep the story going. Is there any reason for the market to continue bullish?
Is there any reason for the market to continue bullish?
Beg your pardon. Is there any reason for the market to go bullish?
Yeah, it can. It can still can go bullish.
Because
No,
of
but
the wick rejection.
based on this candle close. So what we're
Based
doing,
off the close,
No.
it's still the bears are in control.
correct.
Yes.